Think in English. So many teachers say if you try to think in English, you could able to speak fast. You could learn fast. This is the best process if you think in English. For do this, they say narrate something. Whatever you are watching or in front of you, you can narrate it in your mind. In this way, you can think in English. Also, some teacher says you can say every day 2 to 3 hours with very short sentence like this is a fruit, this is an apple, this is a tree, give me the tree. In this way, each and every day if you speak small sentence, you can think in English later. But I am saying you find first very easy to understandable English conversation from good source. And you listen it. You listen it 100 times, 200 times. Every day, 2 to 3 hours. You listen 6 months, 1 year. Automatically, this listening process automatically change your mind. Automatically, you could able to think in English. If you try, you would understand later. You need to try it. If you listen every day, 2 to 3 hours, easy to understandable English conversation, easy to understandable English story, your brain will fulfill a huge number of English sentences. And also you will repeat it. So your brain will fulfill by English sentences after 1 year. And when fulfill, your brain automatically come out sentence from your mouth. No doubt. You could able to speak, you could able to think in English. No doubt. You need to listen easy to understand, which is very easy.